Hello, Selena. What are you doing? Don't sit down. You got to stand over here so we don't get paint on the floor or nothing. Kitty in the screen house, looking out at the chicken coop.
No.
Livia, kitties. Here. Oh, we're gonna do that one now?
Yes, I need to go get a bowl.
Okay. How come we gotta do so many different ones?
This is a time to make some paintbrush. Paint.
Here, what if you put it here? And then just put it off of there. You gotta use another brush.
There we go.
It's Picasso. You could make those for people like Christmas time. We could make them for Diana and Tammy and everybody. They would love them. It's the Cubbies. They're on TV in the other room. Remember, stand over the table. Oh, Shadow. How's things happen? Stand over here. If you drop it and you get it on my carpet, I'm going to be so happy.